Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability. Exercise 5.1 question number 33. Let's see the question. Examine that sin mod x is a continuous function. Here we are going to check whether sin mod x is a continuous function. If you see the sum, here they have given two functions, that is there is one trigonometric function and also a modulus function. So it is a combination of a two functions. So I am going to split the two function because it's quite difficult to find the function is continuous because there is no x value. So I am going to take let f of x is equal to a sine function, that is a trigonometric function, and g of x is to be a mod function. Now if you take separately, here we know that a sine function is a continuous function. Sine and cos are continuous in a trigonometric function. Similarly, only if mod x is there, it is a continuous. Other than mod x, if anything in addition or subtraction is there, it will not be a continuous function. Now we know that this two function, that is f of x and g of x, is a continuous function. X belongs to R. Now we know that these two are a continuous function. Now if I multiply the two function and if we get the resultant to be this, then we can say that this the function, the resultant function, if it is a multiply of two continuous function, then it will be also a continuous function. Now I can multiply this two, that is f composite g. F composite g is f of g of x. F of g of x is f of g of x is mod x. I am going to substitute the mod x in the place of x of a f of x. So here it becomes sine, in the place of x I need to substitute mod x. So this becomes the multiply of this two is a sine mod x, which is our question. Therefore the given function is a continuous from 1 and 2, because separately it is a continuous function. So the multiplication of a continuous function is also a continuous function. That's all with the sum. Thank you.